I've been told that love can hurt sometimes.
YouTube, what is up? What is good with you guys? It's the Boul. Nate, present and accounted for, man. Before we get to the video, hit that subscribe button. Man, we just making waves at the wave, at the wave, at the wave, man. We're going up, we're going up in 2022. So subscribe, like, comment, all that jazz. And today we got an unboxing. Well, supposed to go outside, but yeah, we got an unboxing. So nice little package here. So this is actually a sneaker that recently came out. Actually got off StockX a little early. I was gonna unbox this last week, but like I said, I got sick, so yeah, I couldn't unbox it. So we'll unbox it this week. Yeah, so as you can see here, we got a YEEZY box. We got a 700 YEEZY box. And if y'all have been following the YEEZY releases, then y'all might know what this could be. Y'all might know what this could be. Got StockX receipt. And ooh, yes sir. In hand, we got the 700 MNVN Geode with the StockX tags. You know, shout out StockX, but hey. These I like these. The thing is, like, it's actually pretty funny because for some reason the MNVN, like, at first, like, doesn't sell. So I actually got these for maybe $20-$30 under retail, because I got these for about like $180, $190, and I know they go for $220. But for some reason, like, the MNVN, like, it starts out low and then it slowly creeps up above like maybe like $40, $50 above retail. But yeah, man, this is a good looking shoe here. Yeah. Like, for some reason, like the bright colors or just like light colors in general on the 700VN, like, cranks, like the blue tint, the false fur. I know there's a couple other colorways, but like bright colors like does well. But like I like these a lot. I like these a lot. Like it, like, cause like it's I'm put pretty closer in the camera, but like it's bright, but it's not overly bright. Like it's like a, I don't know. It's like a, can I call this lavender? I guess it's like a lavender kind of color, like a like a real like light purple color. But I'm like, it fits, it works. Like, this is definitely, this might be it could be an underrated spring shoe. I know some people don't really like the MNVN because, like, I guess maybe like the sole throws them off. I mean, like the upper throws them off, but it's actually one of my favorite YEEZY models, because it is like it's pretty rugged. Cause like, see with the sole here, it's like it's very sturdy, very sturdy, and then like it has a kind of like a thin kind of upper, so it's kind of like it's a mixture of like stable but like still stylish and sleek at the top. So that's pretty much why I like it. And like I could dress this kind of up. I could kind of dress it a little bit down as well. So yeah, man. Then nice, you got the YEEZY inside of it. Let me get this out the way. Obviously the pad 700 3M on the end, but yeah, man, this is nice. I like it. Like I said, I got the Trail Blacks. The Trail Blacks I pretty much wear like almost every day to work because it's all black. It's just low key. Like, it's not like you don't have to either like look up close to see if like a YEEZY 700 or maybe like get like a quick like reflective like that. Oh, okay. But besides that, yeah, it's sleek. But I get in there. Also got like those I guess laces. You know, it's not really laces, but it looks well on the shoe. Like it pretty much blends in pretty well with that. And then obviously here's the soles. Look, it look like it might have been tried on a couple times, but that's about it. You know, so it's like no like heel drag or toe drag or nothing like that. So yeah, this is nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give y'all some on feet. And then I guess end it there. So peace.